How to fix promo code didn't apply in Uber Eats. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Uber Eats account. Then go to your cart at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you can click on View Cart. Click on Go to Checkout at the bottom. Then click on Add Voucher Code. Here, enter your voucher code, and if it shows promo code didn't apply, make sure you re-enter the code carefully and then press on continue at the bottom and check if the discount appears. If discount does not appear, you can simply go to the help option. After you're in the help section, you can simply contact Uber Eats directly and they will solve your issue. This is how to fix promo code didn't apply in Uber Eats. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.